I am N. Sri Harsha from GMRIT, pursuing my graduation in CSE department. First of all, thanks to Rictum Technologies for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to show up my skills and extend my career in it. The problem statement given to me is reporting of civic problems that we see in our society. The user can simply take picture of any issue like potholes or any pile of garbage that is left on the roadside. The issues will be posted into the portal and other users will upvote the issue. If the number of votes of a issue is greater than 100, Times of India newspaper is going to publish it into the paper so that government can see it and do some necessities to overcome it. The technology stack I have used is Django, Bootstrap, Ajax and JavaScript.
Let's run our server. Let me open this URL in Chrome. It will redirect to the login page. Let's create a new user. Uday. If we give any numbers or anything, it automatically validates. I have used on input to check this. The mail ID should be a valid one. If we give any mail ID that already exists, it throws an error, mail already exists. Coming to the password, it is a strong password. It automatically checks what are all the other requirements we need to satisfy. After all the fields are validated, register button enables. Let us register. Registration is successful. If you give any other thing, it says as user not registered. Let us register, login correctly. I have intentionally given wrong password. It throws an error. The password is encrypted so that even superadmin cannot see it. This is the first task given in this portal. Let us do the second task, which is uploading an issue. Here we need to write a caption. This is very serious issue. Please consider this issue. Let's choose a file to upload it. Let me post it. Here we can see that in the background, in the backend, the city and the state of the user are taken, and also time is also taken. It is in the IST time, so it is shown as like this. So this is our thing. This is our post. There are also other posts with other users which can be seen like this. This is the second task, and the third task is seeing all the posts of all the users. We can also upvote a issue. If we upvote this issue, it automatically makes the vote and the count increases. I have used Ajax calls here for upvoting an issue so that on the spot, without page reloading, the issues are upvoted. If a issue is already being upvoted by us, it is not upvoted other time. It retrieves and shows like this. If we click again, it is decreased and it decreases the count like this. Here also I have used Ajax calls for this. This is the third task, and users can also comment. Before that, let us check the login and logout. If we log out of the session, it redirects to home page. Let's log in with other user. money@gmail.com. If we check here, it's like this. Let's put it. This also I'm upvoting. This also upvoted. Let's leave a message here. Here also I have used Ajax calls and also DOM events of the JavaScript, which can do many operations without the page reloading, so that the comment is automatically reloaded here. If you refresh it again, it's like this only. The comment is inside the database, so it's like this. User can also see the profile of him. If you click here, all the posts which he has posted are shown. Now Money hasn't posted anything, so it's empty. Let's post. Now if we go to profile, you can see his posts. Here only the posts which the user has uploaded are only shown. He can also now edit the post. If he clicks the edit, it's like this. This is a very serious issue. Simply here, if we delete this and put our cursor back, it's uploading to the database. This is also done in single page using Ajax calls. Let's go to home page and add a comment here for the Uday's post. Let Uday also post it. Now we can add another comment here. It's very serious. Now if we go to the profile, this is a post of Uday, so he can also delete the any comments which are very serious. So if he clicks delete button, it automatically deletes the comment and everything is cleared on the spot without any page reloading, etc. So I have given edit of caption and also delete of comments here. And finally, user can delete his post. If he clicks on delete, the post is automatically deleted. And this is the task. And I have also done this recent activity. All the posts, new issues or any messages given by any users are shown here automatically. This is the recent activity. We can see that Money posted new issue name. This is serious issue. Please consider this. Money also messaged on Sriharsha's issue. It's very dirty. Government should take some care. These are all other recent activities done by different users. Let's also check the super admin. This is our admin panel. Here we can check all the users data. If we check here, name, mail ID, see the password is encrypted so that admin also cannot see it. And if we go to votes, the issue ID and the user ID are stored so that the count and everything is managed. And if we go to issues, This is the issue object. Here, which user has posted the issue is shown with the caption, location where, and number of votes. You can also see the image. This is the image which he posted. He can now check this status. You can change the status as submitted, resolved, no action taken, open. If the number of votes is greater than 100 as given in the problem statement, the status is automatically changed to submitted to the newspaper. But actually now the number of votes are 2, so it is like this. But if the admin wants, he can easily edit now. This is one advantage. If any illegal comments or illegal messages are there, admin can easily delete like them. This is a very admin panel. He can also delete or manage the votes. Super admin has every access. He can also check the users, how many users are there.